Good morning. It is Friday morning, April 19th, 2019, and it's time for your morning walk with me, Sophfronia. I am in Cedar Falls, Iowa, and if you can see, it's small town America. I am here for the North American Review Writers Conference. They are celebrating 50 years of the North American Review being housed at the University of Northern Iowa. And it's a beautiful journal. They've actually redesigned it, and that redesign will be unveiled later today. I am a featured writer here, which means I will be doing a reading, delivering a craft talk, and being on a panel tomorrow morning with Terry Tempest Williams. So I was really excited when I heard that my workshop for tomorrow, it's a workshop on reflection in creative nonfiction, that workshop is full. And I'm excited not just because, okay, yes, it's great to have a lot of people in my class, but I'm excited when writers take the opportunity to learn more about their craft. I think it's hugely important. I think we have to be always learning because that is what teaches us what's possible with the language and with our art, and it helps us to make it continually new. So do you take opportunities to learn more about writing? There are writers' conferences all over the place, and usually I talk about them in terms of going there to make connections, to meet writers, to meet editors, agents, but don't forget about the learning as well. I'm going to be teaching in a variety of places over the next couple of months. I will be at Drew Theological Seminary in June. I'm going to be there for the Writing for Your Life conferences, for the Publishing in Color conference. Those are during the week of June 12th, I believe. I will put in the comments the links to these conferences. I will also be teaching a class at Drew Theological Seminary a little later in June. And of course, I'll be in Italy in September for the Write of Your Life Writers Retreat. So I'm excited to attend some of the workshops here as well. What can you do to find a place? And conferences are everywhere. This is Iowa, right? I bet you can find a place near you. You won't have to travel very far to meet some great writers, to learn from them, and to just expand your art in a new way. And I'm excited talking about this because I'm excited for you, because who knows what you will discover when you go out and take a class, learn something different about our wonderful craft. Anyway, I'm on my way to get a cup of tea and do some reading, a little bit of writing this morning, but I'm thrilled to be here in Iowa. I've never been here before. I will see you next week. Take care, have a good weekend, and happy Easter in advance. Bye-bye.